Let's make some breakfast. Here's another one of my favorite meals to eat for breakfast. Haitian spaghetti. Honestly, so good, I eat it for lunch and dinner too. Medium heat, add a few cups of water, and then about 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Bring that to a boil and then add the spaghetti noodles. This to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Forget to start boiling some eggs. Moving on to the protein. For this recipe, I'm using smoked beef sausage. But another popular option is hot dog or herring fish. Vegetables, I'm only using white onion and shallots. Let the spaghettis al dente. Strain the spaghetti and reserve some of the pasta water. On medium heat in a saucepan, I add some cooking oil and then start off by sauteing the beef sausage. When it has this beautiful red-brown color, add in the onions and shallots. For seasoning, I'm using my brand, Neges Creole Haitian épices, because 1 spoonful already has all the ingredients I need. Saute the épices until brown and then add in a spoonful of tomato paste and melt this with a little bit of pasta water. Now add any other seasonings you'd like. I top it off with some butter, parsley, and thyme. Allow this to melt, and when the edges start to boil like this, it's ready. Set the temperature to low heat, and with some tongs, I like to fold in the spaghetti like this. Allow the sauce to really coat the spaghetti and let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. In the end, you should have something that looks like this.